Good morning, YouTube and my fellow SWA Ultimate members. I'm Manny Viloria of TrulyRichPinoy.com, and today we're going to talk about how to request for payout, what you should do in order to receive your SWA commissions. So when you visit SWAUltimate.com, you can log in using this area here, the member login. And when you log in, you might receive this window. You might see this window, email verification, request for verifying whatever email you registered with SWA. And from the dashboard, you can go to the upper right hand corner, click on this downward pointing triangle here, then click on account. That will bring you to the SWA account details page, which looks something like this. From here, you can change your password if you wish, or add the other details of your account. You cannot change your full name, that's already set. So you can type in your address here, which will come in handy if you would like to receive your SWA payouts via LBC or couriers, or even Western Union. Okay, email, this is where you would like to receive the SWA notification of each time you get a direct referral. Now here, for the payout detail, let's say you're outside the Philippines but you don't have access to MoneyGram. Let's say you would like to receive your payments via Western Union. Just choose here MoneyGram, and then in the rectangle below the payout detail, you put there Western. This is to let the SWA administrators know that you would like to receive your payment not via MoneyGram but via Western Union. Western / your full name, which is supported or which appears in your government issued ID, such as your passport or your SSS ID or driver's license, your address and your contact number. And then after you've inputted this, remember to click the update account green button. Okay, this is for the new website of SWAUltimate.com. And remember that whenever you request for a payout, which you can do when you click on this e-wallet here, you can request for a payout. Please open a customer support ticket at the SWA Ultimate Customer Happiness Portal to let the SWA administrators know that you have made a payout request. Because normally, if you look at the choices here for payout detail, there's no Western Union. So in other words, this is a special arrangement. Okay, so again, choose MoneyGram and type in your Western / full name / address / contact number details here. Okay. If you choose Banco de Oro, then type in your bank account name and your bank account number. Same thing for BPI. Okay, and if you're curious as to what the other possibilities are as far as the account details are concerned, when you click on e-wallet here, you can read the important note, and the details are here. For bank accounts, do this. For cash cards, enter this: Smart Money, Globe GCash, MoneyGram, and so on. The details here, like your 16-digit card number, that's what you will input in your account details area. Okay. And remember, after doing all of those, be sure to click on your name, the upper right hand corner, then log out. Okay, that's how easy it is to get your SWA payout requests even if you're outside the Philippines via Western Union. Until the next tip, tutorial or guide, I'm Manny Villar saying, invest in yourself before others will invest in you. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay tayong lahat.